In this video, I will show you how to set up N8N with Render. To set up, begin by creating an account on the Render platform. Once registered and verified, choose the hobby plan to get started. From the dashboard, create a new web service and select the option to use an existing image. For the image source, select Docker and provide the official N8N Docker image URL. To get the correct image, open a new tab, search for the official N8N Docker image, and navigate to the page. Scroll down until you find the section that explains how to start N8N with Docker. That method is normally used for hosting locally, but since we are self-hosting on Render, you simply copy the provided image URL from there and paste it into Render. No additional credentials are required at this stage, so you can just connect and test the setup. Next, confirm the region for deployment. Choosing a region close to your location, such as Oregon, ensures better performance. If you are using the free account, keep in mind that the service will automatically shut down during periods of inactivity. This limitation can be removed by upgrading to a paid plan, but for basic usage, the free plan is sufficient. Continue by deploying the web service. Render will take a couple of minutes to process the deployment, and once complete, the terminal output will confirm that the service is live. After deployment, open the provided Render URL for your web service. It may require a refresh or two before the N8N setup screen appears. When it does, create an admin account by setting a password and logging in. If the server shuts down due to inactivity, simply restart the service and log in again. Inside N8N, you can either fill out optional setup prompts or skip them to begin with a clean workspace. Once inside the dashboard, everything is already configured for you. The N8N server is now self-hosted on Render and no further setup is required. You can immediately start building workflows, integrating applications, and automating processes directly from your hosted instance.